10:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Colony, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour and heavy rain. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Heavy rains could cause poor drainage, flooding, and bogging of water on roadways. Rainfall rates may approach half an inch in an hour. Locations impacted include Albany, Troy, Clifton Park, Cohoes, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Latham, Delmer, Guilderland, Menands, Voorheesville, Green Island, Waterford, Loudonville, Center Brunswick, Winantskill, Half Moon, South Troy, and Shakers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 8 and 25. Interstate 87 between exits 23 and 7, and between exits 8 and 9. Interstate 787 between exits 1 and 9. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Synopsis: an unseasoned